Charlie, can you say star? Yeah, good job. Star. Good job. Can you say Mama? Can you say Charlie? Oh, Charlie's a star. Can you say Dada? Star. Can you say shoes? Dada, mama, mama, mama. Can you say shoes? Where's your shoes, Bubby? Can you say, show me your tongue? Where's your ear? Where's your nose? Where's your eye? Good job, Bubby. Where's your teeth? Yeah. Blow kisses? Oh, yeah. Where's your toes? More?
Where's your belly button, Charlie?
Where's your belly button? Show off. Can you say shoes? Mama, show us a pair over there.
What is this, Charlie?
Shoes. Yeah, good job.